Hi, my name is Greg from Lacerte. This is a demonstration of backing up clients in the Lacerte tax program. It's important to understand that Intuit Lacerte does not keep any offsite backup of your Lacerte data. It is your responsibility to make sure your data is backed up. Before we begin, I would like to cover a few tips and recommendations regarding the backup of your client files. Lacerte strongly recommends performing routine backups of your client data files. How often should my files be backed up, you may ask? As a general rule, the interval for backing up data should be less than the period of work that you can afford to lose. For example, if losing 1 week of work would jeopardize your operations, then your interval for backup should be less than 1 week. It is also a good idea to keep several previous backups for a period of time and not overwrite them with the most recent backup. By retaining multiple copies, you will be able to go back to an earlier version of the backup if a problem is discovered with the client, and your most recent backup also contains that same problem. One of the previous versions might contain a copy of the data before the data corruption occurred. The amount of disk space used by such backups is insignificant when compared to the capacity of most modern hard drives. It is also a good idea to retain an on-site backup copy of the client files, as well as another backup copy off-site in the event of a catastrophic event in the office. To back up your clients in the Lacerte tax program, you must begin the process from the Clients tab. Select the client or group of clients you wish to back up. This can be done by highlighting a client with a single mouse click, or use the mouse click plus the Control key on the keyboard to select multiple clients. You can also use the Group Select icon on the toolbar, or press the F3 function key to access the Group Select. The Group Select allows you to select clients by the filters available. The first option is All Clients. To select all the clients in the current program module, select the All Clients option and then click OK. Next, select Clients menu, choose Backup, or press Ctrl B. Enter the destination location for the backup or click Browse to navigate to that location. Click OK to begin the backup process. If the client already exists in the destination directory of the backup, the program prompts you to replace the existing client file with the one being backed up. I backed up all these clients to a folder called Lacerte Backup. If I back up a client to that directory, that client already exists in the backup folder, and I'm presented with this screen. Click either Yes or Yes to All to replace the client or group of clients. Selecting No or Cancel will stop the backup process. To back up clients from another tax type, you must change the program to that tax module. Select the Clients menu, select Tax Type, and then choose the program module you wish to switch to perform the backup. If your office utilizes a third-party backup software, you can designate what folders are to be backed up. The data is located in these folders. And the options are in a folder called Option and then the 2 numbers indicating the tax year. All of these folders, by default, are located in the system file path. In a standalone install, the system file path is C drive, Lacerte, some number tax. If in a network install, this location would be to the server, in the server drive, Lacerte, some number tax. After watching this demonstration, you should now be able to back up clients from inside the Lacerte tax program, or have the information to configure your third-party backup program to back up the data and the options.